Hello guys, again welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about and know about some website that makes the DSA and the algorithm fun and the visualize. So let's get started. So first, first website is our code combat. Okay, so this is our first website. So basically in this website we are able to learn. So basically this website is absolutely friendly. Okay, so you can able to learn the programming through the games. Okay, so if you are an educator or the parent or student, you are able to play using the games. Okay, learn using the games. So basically just you have to sign in this website and start playing, so that whatever is showing in this video, so same thing is going to be happen in that code. Okay, so that is absolutely beginner friendly, so you can play with this. Okay, now our second website is this, that is the visualgo.net. सो बेसिकली इसमें क्या होगा कि हम विजुलाइज कर सकते हैं यूजिंग द एनिमेशंस, शॉर्टिंग ट्रीज और द ग्राफ्स, डीबीएमएस एक्सेट्रा टाइप्स ऑफ अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं कॉन्सेप्ट को बेसिकली. सो ये जितने भी कॉन्सेप्ट दिख रहे हैं सारे, सो इसमें ट्रेनिंग का ही पार्ट है तो आप कर सकते हो. ओके, सारे जितने भी टॉपिक होते हैं वो सारे हैं इसमें, तो आप इसमें हैश टेबल हो गया या फिर बाइनरी सर्च ट्री, ग्राफ स्ट्रक्चर एक्सेट्रा थिंग यू कैन एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड understand the algorithm, what types of algorithm are used in these types of problems. Okay, you can able to understand the concept. Okay, what types of concept are using in this code or the concept. So our second website is the algorithm visualizer. So basically in this website language and the frameworks are using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Node.js like stuff. And बेसिकली ये सारी चीज़ें होंगी. सो ब्रूट फोर्स एंड द डिवाइस एंड कॉन्कर, डायनेमिक प्रोग्रामिंग, ग्रिडी एल्गोरिथम, बैक ट्रैकिंग, सारी चीज़ें आप इसमें से क्या कर सकते हो, सीख सकते हो. ओके, बेसिकली सो this app is also a beginner friendly app, so you can use this. Now let's go to our fourth app, so which is the neetcode.io. Just like the lead code that we already know. So this is for the better preparation. So if you want tech interviews, you want to crack it, so you can use this website for learning the array, or we can say two pointers, tags, l- linked list, binary search, etc. things. So just you have to sign in this website and you are able to start practicing. Okay, now for fifth website is Exim. So basically there are 83 programming language you can learn. So let's see the C++. Okay, so how इसमें भी क्या है कि गेम वाली ही चीज़ें हैं, तो आप गेम के थ्रू इसमें सारी चीज़ें लर्न कर सकते हो। ओके, you can also watch the brief introduction of C++ using this and explore the concept, etc. things. Okay, so these all the website you can use for learning, visualizing, and using the game based angles, so for funny experience and for learning in a better way. So you can able to learn from these websites, all the five websites. And if we talk about the more website, so basically uh, we also know about the lead code, right? If we talk about the lead code, everybody know about the lead code, what website that is, basically the main platform where we solve the questions and practice. Okay, from this website, lead code. So basically इसमें आपको अकाउंट क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा एंड देन यू आर स्टार्ट solving the questions. And you can also solve from the geeks for geeks or hacker rank. That basically, if we talk about the hacker rank, so hacker rank is for the challenges, points and the bugs ट्रैक ये कर सकते हो आप सारी चीज़ें, ठीक है, हैकर रैंक। और बेसिकली जो इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द लास्ट थ्री ऑफ देम, सो बेसिकली द लीड कोड, हैकर रैंक, geeks for geeks, और coding ninja, these all the are the professional DSA website where we can start practicing and improving our skills in a more professional way, because the questions in these websites are very good to solve and better for the DSA preparation and for interview. So if you really want to do the hard questions or like stuff, or the want a deep knowledge, so you have to prefer the lead code, hacker rank, geeks for geeks, coding ninja, these types of platform for practicing more and getting more experience about the DSA. And if you want to just beginner, if you are a beginner, so you may start with these five website that I have previously told you. And I hope you all are doing great in your careers, and follow my channel for more such updates, and like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for today. We will meet in the next video. Okay, bye.